Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hi everyone, Sue here from 1A Auto, and today on our 03 Volvo V70 I'm going to show you how to remove the rear seats. If you need any parts for your car, click on the link below and head on over to 1aauto.com. I'm going to grab the little loop that they give you here of cloth and you just pull the seat up. Now you've exposed the mounting down here. So you've got the two red levers that hold the seat in to the bracket. So I like to take like two thumbs and I just push it forward. Now I can lift that seat right out. So you have to lift both back seats up. Take those red tabs. You're going to guide those spots right in like that. Take your red pieces and lock them down with a push down motion. Then you just close the seat down. Guide those plastic loops right into those latches. Make sure it pushes all the way down. Grab your red locks, snap them down in. Get a firm push down and you're all set.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.